Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to create a virtual product in your WooCommerce. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to your products and then add new. So next you will have to enter a description from there. So enter the title and description. So just ignore this dude right here, another ad that we just want to get out. So just block this element right there and then pick and this. So pick. No, never mind. So, anyways, back to the topic right here. We are actually gonna go ahead and add a new product. So the title, we can edit the permalink also. We can schedule, of course. From there, you can add the product tag and the product image of your liking, and then define the sort of product that you want right here. If it's gonna be virtual, which is what we're doing, and then configure the product data right here with general inventory, link product attributes, advanced, and get more options if you want to. So this is going to be up to you. And then there you go. It's just that simple. Click update and then you'll be able to update it right here. And now you have a virtual product in your WooCommerce store. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.